Get this?
Okay, now we're
In the
recording.
shot?
Yes, we're gonna get that. That there, well, you can explain this, Keith. Okay, there, I've got that zoomed in. Okay, Keith, tell us a story here. What is that?
Are you rolling?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay. So this is a garage door opener
Yeah.
that I picked up, 20 bucks.
Okay.
Okay. Use the chain off of it
Yeah.
to go around this wheel,
Okay.
right?
Okay, just a minute. Let me zoom out on the wheel here. Yes.
Just the wheel.
Okay.
And I've got so the wheel turns and as that drives this wheel, it's driving this.
Oh.
So this is just a Dremel flexible drive thing,
Flexible drive, right? Yeah.
So that drives and drives this.
Okay, just a second here. Let's zoom in on that. Okay, this. Yeah, okay, I got the flexible Dremel cord. Yep.
As he was led to the gallows, he handed a guard a slip of paper.
I'll go
Right, so
down.
that's the drive mechanism.
Okay.
I'll turn it on.
Crimes of this wicked man will never be purged away. The whole country is now prepared to experience
Okay, let me get this.
Slowly turning this.
Yes, okay, let's zoom in on that.
in 1860.
I see that. Yeah.
Okay.
Led to halt slavery's further spread in the West. Southern slave states left
Okay, now we'll get this from another
From the
view.
other side, yeah.
fired.
Shut this off. Now you can explain the rest of this.
Okay, so I'll explain the chuck part of it.
Yeah.
You see that?
That lever, yeah, what does that lever do?
Can you see back there?
Yes.
You can see in here. The lever is just
Union volunteers were
it opens this chuck.
Oh, right, it opens that chuck. Yes.
Chuck.
Yeah.
So you put the ball in
Yeah, you put the ball in the chuck.
the chuck,
to step forward.
press it back, and it tightens.
It tightens, yeah.
Closes in,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So there's that part. I'll just run it without a ball first.
Okay.
Just to see the mechanism work.
And sometimes the
You close it
revolve the rest
on.
Yeah. Close up on that. Yeah.
that?
That mechanism there.
Here, can you see this?
Yes. Oh, just a minute.
Maybe.
All right, here we go.
So here's the cam groove,
Yes.
right? There's the groove.
I
riding
see, yeah, it goes up and down.
Up and down.
Okay, yes.
So this is driving this, just driving this gear,
Right, yeah.
and you see the spring. There's a spring from this gear to this gear. See that spring?
Yes, okay.
So
Yeah, I gotta zoom in on the spring. There we are, yeah.
So as it's going around,
The spring is tightening.
doing its drilling, the spring is tightening.
Yes.
Spring is tightening. This lever. Here's this. As it goes back up,
Right.
this lever presses down.
Oh, just a minute. Let's do that again. Show.
Just keep it going. You
Yeah,
see it.
yeah. Go through its cycle. Okay. Okay, I'm going to zoom in just on that. Oh yeah.
There's a spring here keeping this tight.
Oh yeah.
See this spring?
That little spring there, right.
Goes down,
Yep.
unlatches, turns.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. I'll shut her off here. Now you. Okay, we're rolling.
We're rolling. Okay,
We're rolling.
So stick the ball in.
Yeah. Okay. Stand back and show us how you did that.
Stick
Put the ball, yeah, in the chuck, automatic
chuck.
chuck with the lever.
Tighten it.
Yeah. Okay. Now you.
Hopefully all goes well here.
Yes.
Turn it on.
There it goes. Look at that.
And down. Switch.
And another position. Looky here, boys and girls.
And switch.
That's pretty slick. Yeah. There comes the cam. Yep.
There.
Flipped
Done.
it.
There's one ball.
There's one cycle.
And I can pop it open.
Show us the ball.
Here's your ball.
All even holes in
All perfectly.
there. Symmetrically. Oh, yeah, there you go. Neat. So what do you use those balls for? Okay, just a second here. So those balls that Keith produced there, they are the holding that symmetrical sphere. There, yeah, he's pointing his finger at it.
Yeah, I'll just.
There we go.
Who with his command has accomplished such wonderful things in New Mexico, was present
This
and
isn't
preached
done,
from the stand
obviously.
in his
Yeah.
evangelists.
Neat.
His persuasive
What do you call that thing?
rings
Well, this is.
What's the name of it?
Well, the scientific or
Yeah.
geometrical name is a truncated icosahedron.
Icosahedron. Okay.
of God is
That's what that.
Truncated icosahedron. This is an icosahedron.
Oh, that is.
That is an icosahedron.
Okay.
The federal government
Yeah.
didn't have much of a grasp
Okay.
of the West before the Civil War. Once the war started, they were concentrating on
That's what that Dutchman over there. Remember, I showed you that article in the paper. He came from Toronto.
the Civil War does create more of a vacuum.
And he was a professor at the university.
Oh yeah.
It's going to be far harder to meet.
Oh yeah, there's the other
It's going to
one.
be much more out of control in the 1860s than they ever had to know.
Right. Same thing. Right.
Yeah.
This is this with these things.
Flatter.
truncated.
Yeah.
That's why it's called truncated.
Truncated.
This is a truncated icosahedron.
Okay.
Ulysses S. Grant had split
Neat.
Confederacy in two.
So this is the same as this, right? It's
Yeah, only a small.
pentagons, hexagons,
Yes.
smaller.
Right.
So that's that.
Few civilian casualties.
Interesting.
In the West,
Good.
it was very different.
I'm gonna have another little go at it here.
guerrilla parties are making dreadful
Do another one.
Another one.
Yeah.
the entire route across the state.
Just wind it up, make sure the spring is tight.
Turning it on. There we go. Now we're recording. Yeah. Okay, that locks that in there.
James H. Lane, cadaverous.
Look at that, eh? That's pretty slick. There's your little cam mechanism. Here it comes. Neat.
Named William Quantrell.
Look at that.
Union farmers warned
Three holes,
plant crops.
all the same.
Well, they're not all the same, right? These two angles are the same.
Ah.
This angle is different.
Oh, okay.
Because
All
there's
right.
there's a pentagon with two hexagons
Oh.
off of that,
Oh, okay.
right?
So it's
So they're not all equal. There's two that are the same
Yeah.
and one that's not.
so it's a template for two kinds of what do you call those? Isotopes? No.
Icosahedron.
Icosahedrons.
Truncated icosahedron.
What's an isotope?